Hi, Kathy Mitchell here with my new red copper brownie bonanza. This is not your regular old baking pan. Everything slides right out. Watch how easy. Just pour in batter, insert this brownie grid, and pop it in the oven. Wow, 18 loaded fudge brownies already sliced. Now place your brownies on this stand and you've got an instant serving tray. Perfect for parties, picnics, or backyard barbecues. And thanks to non-stick ceramic, your brownies never stick, so you never scrub. Call or click now and get my red copper brownie bonanza set for just $19.99. Plus, get my recipe book free. But wait, you can double the offer and receive a second set.
Plus, get my non-stick donut pan. Just pay a separate fee. No frying, no sticking. Just delicious baked donuts every time.
An incredible value. Call now.
Call 1-800-531-2236 to get your Brownie Bonanza. Call or visit browniebonanza.com. So call 1-800-531-2236. That's 1-800-531-2236. Order now.